Hey there, it's Carrie at Studio R12 Stencils, and if your ribbon looks like this, you are not alone, but we have found an amazing storage system that we think is going to change your life and the organization of your craft room. Okay, so are you geeking out as much as we are about this amazing collection of ribbon? We forgot we had some of these. We didn't even know we had some of these because they've been in a tote. That's exactly why we wanted to get a storage system so that we could see exactly what we had and maybe use it on some more projects. So we found this online and then we're making it our own. This is a mesh shoe rack. It has several different shelving layers. It's very lightweight and it's on wheels. What more could you ask for, right? So then we thought, how can we put all these in here, make them fit, be able to get to them easy? So we looked around our warehouse and we found dowel rods. So these are 24 inches. They're a 1/4 inch thick. And we're using 3/4 inch binder clips. Let us show you how we're going to do this. Okay, we are done. We are obsessed and we cannot believe it took us so long to get all of this ribbon out of the tote and out in front of our faces so that we can see what we have and we can use it. There are a couple of things that we are going to add. We got a little tape measure. We are going to hang it off of one of these dowels so it's always here. We also have a paper tape measure that we can fold up and put into one of these cubbies so that when we have to cut a ribbon, we know exactly how long it's going to be if we need a specific length. Now let me give you some tidbits on some things that we ran across. We put the dowels through all of the ribbon holders. There were some that had tape or stickers on one side. You might have to puncture those with a pair of scissors or just push the dowel through. We also put the clips on either side as tight up as we could against both edges so that the ribbons don't fall off the sides. We only had a few orange, but we had a couple rows of red. If there is a color or a specific pattern that you use most, you might want to move that up. Our ribbons took up both sides, but we do have a few cubbies at the bottom. We plan to put our string down there. You can find all of the supplies to make one of these for yourself down in the description. And if you loved what you saw today, be sure to subscribe to Studio R12 Stencils because we have amazing videos on crafting, painting, DIY, and of course stencils.